European Mobility Week is here again. Between the 16th and the 22nd of September, we are encouraging all to think even more than usual about mobility. The highlight of this week of mobility is Car-Free Day. On that particular day, we're inviting everyone to try something else but a car to come to work. Public transportation, bike, or simply walking. Personally, I love biking. For me, it also represents freedom. It is a very effective way to move from point A to point B. It's also a very healthy mode of transportation. It keeps us fit and, of course, to enjoy life because of that even better. More and more Europeans are suffering from different health issues that are related to air pollution, unfortunately, traffic accidents, and also unhealthy lifestyle. So use this week of mobility to try something else. Try multimodal approach to your transport. Use bikes, walk, or public transportation, or maybe make a combination of all three of them. This is the time when you can give yourself a chance to see that multimodal transport can be a very effective way of traveling to work or to any other place of your desire. Let's use this European Week of Mobility also as an opportunity to make some commitments to cleaner cities, to more dynamic and more pleasant cities. And I would love to hear about your positive experiences and about your ideas. How can we together, European Commission and the European citizens, achieve this goal? Let's strive together.